Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cos2x, that is about number 1 minus number 2 sine s squared. So this one we need to change for this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s ds. This one we change for u. Cosine s ds we change for du. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 1 over the square root of number 2 sine t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over 2 sine t square, number 2 and number 2, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 1 over the square root of number 2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. So this one we have 1 over 2 sine t square. So number 2 and number 2 we simplified. This one we have cosine t square. So this one we have cosine t. Now cosine t divided by cosine t, we have number 1. The integration of this one, we have t over the square root of number 2 about t, that is about this one. So we put the square root of number 2 go to the left. And now we can find the value of t equal to opposite of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about sine s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.